Great for multiple cats. Easy to assemble, attaches to other Kitty City modular products. Soft, yet strong fleece for resting and playing, heavy-duty coated fabric that is tear resistant. Heavy-duty abs joints firmly hold pipes in place. Includes multicolored jingle ball toys to attract your cat, durable scratching posts. Age range description, kitten. Scratch. Sisal post and ramp satisfies your cat's scratching urges and keeps claws healthy. And helps protect your home decor. Snooze and hide. Cats love to nap on the top platform. Fabric corner provides your cat with a sneaky hiding place. Play. Includes multicolored jingle ball toys to keep your cat from getting bored. Explore. Create customized structures, make a wonderful climbers for the adventure-seeking kitty. Top reviews from the United States. Very strong zippers, durable and sturdy. Easy to assemble, just like the pictures advertised. Sturdiness with strong zipper closures. Great safe fun for my 3 kittens currently 9 weeks old, good space with growing room, a great buy if you need enclosure for your kitten's safety.